For number 11, we're finding the volume of a prism. I know that because I can see these rectangular faces, and I have two triangles that are parallel and congruent to each other. So the triangles are the bases, the rectangles are the lateral faces is what we call those. So the volume of any prism, remember, is just the base area times the height. You're not doing 1/3 here because this is not a pyramid. The base area is a triangle. The way that you find the area of a triangle is 1/2 the base times the height. So I have subscripts here just to show that this is the height of the triangle. This is the height of the prism. When you're looking for the base and height of a triangle, remember that they have to be perpendicular to each other. So you're always looking for a right angle relationship so that you know what numbers to use for your base and height. So here's my right angle relationship. So this side and this side will be my base and height. Remember, your height doesn't always have to be a side of your triangle. It's only a side of your triangle if it's a right triangle. If you have a non-right triangle, your height will be given inside and it'll be showing a perpendicular relationship to one of the sides. So if I'd been given this side right here, or this, it's not a side, but if I'd been given this measure perpendicular to this base, I would have used that for my height and the 5 is my base. But I don't have a perpendicular relationship there. Here's my perpendicular relationship. So this side, which I'm given as 3, and this side, which I'm given up here as 4, are the base and height for this triangle. So my base is the 3 or the 4. My height would be the other one of those numbers. The height of the prism is the distance between the triangular bases. So in here it's this 9 miles. I could have turned this triangular prism on its side, and then the height wouldn't be vertical, it'd be horizontal. But it's always the distance between the two bases. So in this case it's the 9. So to find my volume, I'm going to find the area of that triangular base at 1/2 base times height. So 1/2, 3 times 4. And then I'm going to multiply it by the height of the prism, which is 9. Half of 4 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 9 is 54. So I have 54. It's volume, so we have cubic units, so it's miles cubed is the volume.